Outside, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. Welcome back to JAMMIWOOD. First time watch the channel here, please do subscribe. You see that virgin here? Well, check out his music. I'm going to tell you where to find his music. He's a real Jamaican youth. He have a real Jamaican song for this year season and beyond. Check it out and hear him say. Let's go.
Representing for JAMMIWOOD. This is the ultimate, and don't you forget. So see you, yes you. Just go to YouTube and type in Ultimate Chandler. And there's something there. Cool.
Check him out for true enough, for real. He's a good youth. Love the music. Play music a couple times on YouTube and I realize it's a good song play over and over. A good song. So if it's a Jamaican you understand the song, you have a look at comedian things night and back at good vibration, good with them. We don't talk about all the intro here, but I have to make you know this is youth here. Alright? The ultimate. Send my road. Let's go.
Well, it mean nothing. Well, it mean nothing. JAMMIWOOD Studios. Love is real. That take me heart out of my chest and give to you. Give to you. Anytime you're around me, I make you happy, never make you blue. Never make you blue. Now I believe when I'm said, love is true. Love is true. You have me thinking about you, thinking of you got me thinking about you. You got me dreaming about you. Now my heart's singing. And I walk through the forest just to get to you. I even walk on a crocodile back. I even climb in the treetop just for you. Take a bullet, run with a grenade. I die for you. This is true love. You have me feeling some sort of way, girl. What you doing to me got my heart singing. Let love be free. Let love be free.
Yes, mommy. We broke man, we want the money, man. But remember, so you spoil me, you know. And you spoil me when small. You know, you want me work, you know, man. So now me get big, me just not get no. Yo, mama, mommy. Sorry, man. I'm sorry. But please, man, send a little thing to me, man. Yeah, man, a little thing of Western Union. That's my mother, you know. That's my mother, so you must come look out for me. You're over there work. Send a little thing for me, man. Must have me lose much work, you know. I try to get a work, you know, and can't get none of a bad reputation, you know. You broke me body, you know, man. You spoil me, you know. Alright, love you too, mommy. Yeah, man. Alright. You look better than that now. Look better than that, man. Go on, let's still have fun. Alright. That's how you're mother, you know. Alright. Alright, talk to you later. Yeah, man. What go on? There was one prize with my mother, you know. So where are you live?
I call if you answer, I could have talked on the phone, so you don't have to come to you.
So where you hide up in this? Where you hide up in this? Where you hide up in what?
You don't feel cool, I feel chilly, like I can catch flu or something.
Maybe you want some, we call it, some bulgur peas and some callaloo and some beetroot in your blood. You know what I mean? Look at me out here, hot like a fire and see it and breeze a blow and we there go and hold it. So what's that going for the door?
You know, say, I want money to come to you for, I want to cook some food. You look for some dumpling and some, you know.
Hear what I said to you, man. want you know, say, you know, when I want money, I go to the bank, right? Or I call up on my mother, and you know, so me no want, me no like it. I give her money, but no make it happen again. Two, no make it happen again. Now just in a relationship, it's a bad reputation for you page me. After me sleep with you last night, you come page me idea, say, me no like it. It's like me I pay for what you give me last night. And
I don't really say pay for what you give me, but we sleep last night just supposed to
yeah, and me work last night. While you relax, I was working up, down, round and around and around and around. I was working. So all of my substantive, you suck all of my substance. I know you come to suck out money to me. Look at you suck money out of my account. You sucking money out of my account. You sucking money out of... Watch that. Go through. Go through.
So when this can buy?
Stretch it. Stretch it more. You know, like something rich. You know me, you see me. You say like because me cute. You never say like because me have money. Because you know see me now no money. You done see me I walk and I struggle. And me and my car, I drive no one, then we always run out of gas on the roadside. So no bother with me. You know see me now no money. I pop, you want pop no worse than what me there? No bother with me. Everything go different.
So little food go pop it down?
Don't worry about that. We're not too much debating. Because I try to get a little ping to go up on the restaurant, you know. My mother send off her money come give me. And I have some things to take care of. I have big dreams, you know. I have big dreams. I have dreams to fly. Alright?
Alright, thanks.
Later for sure. Later. Later go greater. Same thing we do last night, I want you to do it again tonight. You see how much hours you work out last night because the food that we have cooked today, I have to work it back out of you. Because we know so that they work fine now. You go on.
Alright, later, yeah? Yeah?
I'm going to check you later if I ever talk in figure.
Alright.
Yeah. What is a talk in figure? Because I don't know how come you man and broke. No man, this one look good. It's a bad for your reputation because you want me broke and you broke. The two we get. I say word, keep going.
Where you get that from? Where you get that laptop you're from?
Oh, I'm a friend.
I want your friend.
Yeah?
Who is your friend?
I want to see your son.
Who?
I want to see your son.
You know what that is on the name?
Jerome.
So, where Jerome get this laptop from?
I feel Jerome one.
So you go borrow people laptop from them if you come off me and mash up if you pay your feet. Me tired of it. Me tired of it every minute. You make me pay for things, pay for things, pay for things. You sure? You sure it's any boy in it?
Yeah. I'm saying I can't buy it.
Come on for the laptop and talk to you. I need to log out. Shut it up and talk to you. May I ask you one more time. Where you get the laptop from?
Jerome. Jerome Lennon.
You sure say Jerome Lennon?
Yeah. Sure.
Okay. Make sure say Jerome Lennon. I'm tired of these people they come to me, go and tell me say you're this and go and tell me say you're that, and I end up after you pay money for everything what you do. And then turn around and buy. You know what? They go buy one laptop for you. Me no want you borrow nothing from nobody carrier. Because when you carry you go mash up it and then you still have to go. I make sense me just buy you one. You understand me? So me go buy you one laptop.
Nobody buy them, they come back to you.
You know, say the other day police come and here to me. Say, police come to me and say, you because one woman But report you down a station say you mash up in Pitney bicycle.
Which man will go down station to measure them the bicycle?
You know must know which yard they go. I know me I send your people here, you know. But me end up pay for the bicycle. Me tired of it now, man. Me tired of it. Me tired of it. Wait. Me I can go out the road here now. You understand me?
Yeah.
And make sure say nobody no come to me about them Pitney laptop. You hear what me say?
Nobody now come to you.
I work on my phone. I can go the road. You see this? Make sure say you wash it out clean and full of water before me come back. You hear me say?
Yes, man.
And now come out of the yard. Alright. You hear me the one you?
My friend tell me to for a laptop. Let me call him.
Hello?
Hello, what?
Me there, what?
You see same laptop where you say me thief? Guess who me still with there?
Who?
And I go tell her, but me go send you a picture. Cause you talk about me thief your laptop. And me
Alright
my
then.
friend.
Alright, send me a picture.
Alright, later. Send me a picture.
See what that's the officer. One that say boy leave. Watching with me laptop. Give me my laptop too. Film the officer. Thief.
So you think you don't need the laptop?
Thief.
Young one, sit down here so we are get up about. And you think you don't need the laptop?
Yeah, laptop. No, I know yeah, laptop.
Why you
You're not
come buy the
phone
laptop?
for. Let me up in the show. Because I am one lock hand. And you will see a film.
Why you come buy the young lady laptop?
My mother buy it by me.
And where your mother there now? Where your mother there?
Look at officer. Look. See code here.
Your mother there
See
foreign?
the open.
Alright, so until your
Look
mother
at
comes from
teeth.
foreign, you have to go lock you up. Come, get up, you can't teeth. Young man,
Get
pull
up.
around.
Come back here, so we
No.
Come up here, so boy. You go thief. Give me phone.
No, go on, run.
Hello, excuse me. Good evening.
Who is you?
I'm a son, you hold on for me.
Well, your
You
son
can't
thief
be-
me laptop. Let me talk.
You can't be son just till the same mother there foreign. Excuse me, ma'am.
Hold on. One to you. What kind of problem you put yourself in now? What happened?
I don't want to come in and so on.
Ma, what you do?
Your son
I think
thief me
Jerome
laptop.
laptop with Jerome.
Come and show you something. Let me show you something. Hold on. Let me know something. Feel it. If I never feel me, would I know the password? Your son thief me laptop.
Alright, here I know.
Excuse me.
Sorry, miss, hold on, give me a minute. We can't talk to you.
Lock him up.
Miss, sorry for everything, Wayne.
Who is
And-
the young man to you?
I'm his son.
My mother.
Me and
Where
your
you tell
mother.
me see your mother they look wild?
Alright, sorry about the lie.
You
when
say your
you
mother they are foreign.
Well, I'm your mother. I'm
You
your
know
mother.
it-
Well, it's sorry, can't fit
Me
this
know
one.
this,
No
but guess
problem.
what? I am so sorry for what you do. And mother love. How do you get back your laptop?
No, me still want money for you. I want for money me pay
I
for.
feel
Your thief, you have your play again. Me catch my play for you.
Excuse me.
Hold on there, hold
How
on.
money for you get back the laptop? Find a way home now.
No, more money for my laptop. Me nah move. More money for my laptop. You have your play and your burn out. You no battery use and no like phone. Although some phone no use battery.
Excuse me.
More money.
Yo, turn up your phone. Where you have to turn up yourself for? I'm lick your in your face, boy.
Come over me yard so good,
Miss,
decent,
so sorry.
and look like kind of thief.
Yeah, ask if I can
She
get
knows
him
how you
back,
take with
please,
my
and
laptop.
Let go your
Even
teeth
though-
in son. What kind of teeth you grow?
Even though she get back the laptop, I'm gonna give her her money still. Although you say she get it back, no money, but I can give her her money for you. And can't get money to.
No, if you go to my station to get some
And you
right.
might to me, say get back your laptop.
Wait,
In front of the police, say get it back. So please,
I'm
let
tell her to leg off of me.
look here, you cannot do that. And don't make this thing get worse. And if you stop, the police will on fire, stop, ring up yourself. Nobody with it. Nobody with it. Don't make things get worse. Ease yourself.
The police here.
Yes.
Look at you. Lucky.
Alright.
That can't help me.
Hello, miss. See the techie? Or you go on left before me have to carry the
Me no want that. Give me 2
You
hours.
don't care than at all.
Alright, me take
Don't
it.
care.
Me you wear police and miss
Me take-
because your
Alright.
laptop alright.
Yeah,
I'm
why
not gonna
police
do
say
it.
me I come back. Remember say me I come back.
No, but if not do your laptop, your receipts and not
No,
get
what
it
you
at
say?
work.
Miss,
Why?
no, miss.
I just need to get your money off from your phone because now you're
Officer.
doing argument.
No worry.
You know why you go call up my son name to people.
I gotta write him up and I put him up on the bill post about your watch. Let everybody say.
Alright, okay, me sorry about everything.
Sorry.
Anyway,
Can't chat with the car.
See the money, me did I go give she.
What you say?
No other police not coming.
No, me alone come.
Okay, because I don't want to go call up your name, please, sergeant, you know? So guess what? These are the money when they don't give her. Alright, I'm going to give you one money. On it.
But you have to pay for your phone too.
The phone, yeah. What I mean by on the phone, give me this one.
Yeah, but like how you teeth laptop, you have to pay for it.
No problem, thank you. One in my house.
And let me give him a call again. Because next time, arrest me.
Alright, thanks, I hear me.
Have a good day now.
You too, thanks.
And
Thank you.
Benny tree for the young, your son no picky.
Okay. Come here. Come here. This one too hot. Let me come on, Tyson. Stand up right here, sir. You really take the woman laptop and can't go and tell me, say,
A Jerome, like maybe a Jerome TV.
Jerome, then the woman look like he announced son name Jerome look like he not even breed from him born. That the woman they look like artist Gambon grass.
No, not that the man there, me and Jerome no man go off your yard.
So Jerome give you a laptop for use and one next somebody come own the laptop.
Maybe a sheet him TV laptop.
Listen to me now. Where say maybe Jerome TV laptop?
Yeah, because me know say she have laptop over there like that, but me know say I feel like, because I don't want laptop like that today.
You go make my blood pressure rise up in the ear. You go make me end up in a hospital. You go make you constantly do something here. Time for you stop. Time for you stop. Your finger them are not fear, your finger see me. Them ya, finger ya. Me have to go do something to them. You need to stop. Me pay too much money for you. Me can't take this no more. But anyway, don't worry yourself. Me never say right for you go take people things, you know. But now make it happen again. Me go buy you one. Remember me did tell you before. Me go buy you one. And maybe I not thief you know.
I'm not thief, me TV. Not say a
I mean,
Jerome
no say
TV.
you don't know thief. You say a Jerome Lenny, it's not true.
I don't know thief.
A Jerome in here?
Yeah, Jerome.
Oh, so a Jerome Lenny. Alright, me
Yeah,
believe
I don't
you.
know thief, yeah.
A Jerome gay.
Yeah, Jerome.
You buy one for you.
Yeah.
Alright, no worry yourself. Ah, Jesus. Hello. No come out of yard, you know. No come out of yard, me soon come back. My son tell us me buy you one laptop. Me soon come. Please me they beg you no come out of yard. Me they go to the store. And that day me did see some laptop on sale. Remember say they have what you call you know a Christmas a come so they have sale. Yes, so me say me get one of the laptop them where they on sale. Feel you hear? Yeah, you before you lock. Come, where in there though? You tidy up the place? Come, sit down. I want a surprise. Anyway, you know, but I get the laptop. I get one different something for you. And why you not full this? You never tell us if you full this.
What are you gone?
What are you gone? Okay. I joke, man. So what me buy for you? You know the reason why I take it out of the box? I want a big head woman we come and me yard come tell like on you say you make sure say me tell the Indian. You see nice store me buy here some Indian people own it. Yes, they sell reasonable. They make sure you chat about charger. You know the reason why me carry so in my hand? If you make your whole neighborhood see say you have your own laptop. And you're not thief no laptop. I mean, I lie the big head woman did that tell you. You know? Yes, take it. Charger.
So I'm not going to charge laptop?
Oh, I never remember it. You know my bag. Me tell them to throw away the box. That's how if you take on a book when people send me to school. You can't say thank you.
Thank you, man. You're such a darling, such a good model.
And then me come back so hot and tired. I'm going to go get water from today to bed. I'm going to full it bucket of water, man. Full this of water.
Can you give me laptop after?
It don't matter what time I give it.
I'll get you water.
Why you broke body now? I'm going to full that of water. Don't come back. Cause this one charge. And you can't go and panic go do your one. You don't borrow nothing from nobody again. No man chop a Jerome thief the woman skin and come to you. Because I know you're not thief.
Who that?
I mean, man. I'll go and babe.
Yeah. Wash up some plate.
Yeah, cook though. One thing you love your food, you know.
Yeah, like your time, my partner.
Yeah, but hear me I say to you know, really, I'm sorry for me bringing up bad news, you know. Because when I talk to you today, you know, some things they said to me,
Yeah.
like yeah, tell me say, your ear want do again, and you want this and you want that and way. So, me I tell you say, my days of mine, no man, done. I've been there before. You see, from a small start come up from 15, we live out with woman. And me a mind woman from me a 15, when me a 35, me still a mind woman. So me reach the part and now part. True, you can't look me. Me think say you have somebody to mind you in any time. You see, when me young, a big woman like you. Because when me a like 20, me a woman we are 35. Me a woman we are, you know, when me a like 15, me a woman we are 32. You understand? So, then the time they know, me used to mind them. Because I used to hustle the streets, sell my onion, my tomato, and little thing and give them the money. You know why? Then that rub me down. And also the feelings that kiss me on my neck and I go so. You know? And I go so I feel good. So I continuously taking care of them. So and then, the things say we do enough already. So if you say you really love me, you have to go find somebody to mind you. But he now whine you, because you go find one you know we're young, they can play in head, they can scratch your neck back and make him ticklish, took him nice side and him go so, and you take all that money with him pocket. You make him do things you climb mountain for you because him not experience. You understand? So that you have to go do really if you want a relationship to work. Because You're not going no further. So you have to make up your mind. What you say?
So you really said me for gonna look like next man?
You're not looking the man. You're hooking a young boy. You're winding him up. You're teaching him sense. So by the time you go pay for learn, like a college him and go. When you're done with him, know where that girl take him for food because you teach him. So it's called say you're doing you give back. You're doing like a charity and getting paid. You teach a youth manners. You understand? But you go teach him that this is how woman to treat him, but you not let him go upon the kitty cat. Right? Soon as he want the kitty cat, you tell him say, yo, I gotta go to Miami. So you go one area. So you know tomorrow now, we go drop you for one area and you circle the area and then we come pick you up back. You see when we pick you up back now we go on different place. So you go fishing. It's not catfish. This is bigger than catfish. It's like a whale. But them small whale there. And them same youth they go be big and have things, but at least you go teach them a lesson from now. Alright, so I just that me come to tell you say, so you have to tell me what you say I do.
Alright. So like someone I can work with.
You love me.
I love you of course, so maybe do anything when you have something to do.
Well, like when you say you go do it, you do it. Tomorrow I pick you up, drop you one place, because you can't do it in a few one area because when you disappear, they never find you back. A cuddler, dabbler, chops, the money gone. But anyway, I have some things to deal with because I have to set up the pension plan because you know I'm getting older, so I have to ensure everything good. So I made it for them time they go nice, you know. So I think say I do anything in vain. If they're there, the others go good. But for now, with the war. With their war you know. Go and store up here. When I eat some but me not have the time. Here?
Alright. Hello? What going? Girl, you called for the right time. Like, I don't know. I have something for ask you. Like, so I look at the I have something for ask you, girl. You ever mind one man before? You mind man already? So how that work out? Right now, girl, come let me fall in the same chapter right now, you know. Cause right now, babe, I'm just come on me a while ago and we had a conversation where basically I tell me to find one young boy we can spend money or whatsoever, cause you know end up on his face and now he not no money for you give me and he look style like. So I really love him, you know. Girl, me I tell you something, love the man. So right now, I'm willing to do anything when you tell me to do right now. And when I think about it, I don't know nothing bad. Cause basically, I'm not going to sleep with you. If I find one young boy with money, I'm not going to sleep with him. I go and, you know, take a piece of food off him and make it make sense. So you think me to do it? Well, I don't have a choice. I have to go do it if I want the relationship work with him. But just have to go do it right now. Yeah. Anyways, I saw him plate me there, I wash up and cook little food, so may we talk. Alright.
Sis, how you do? What?
You cook.
Cook what?
I saw for the beef.
You not supposed to cook. What mommy pay a woman for do? Cook, clean and wash, though. And fi take it. Put on that, put on that, put on that. Put it down. The woman a come, put it down. I gonna make fire him. Put it down. Go in there and cook. We not do things. You don't know that. Me did go and bathe myself.
But she not cook so for me to do me hungry.
I show me no want no woman touch me, me bathe myself. Oh, boy, you hungry. Me I call the woman. A matter of fact, me I call me and ask me myself, why let the woman fi do? Cause me not understand how she not reach her yet. You understand? So me I going up, come out of the kitchen. Boy, you cook. Live off of your fat. Mommy, where the lady fi do? That me I talk about wash, cook and clean, not true? So how she not reach her now? Mommy call her now, call her. Cause me can't take the install, remember, so we not do things. And yes, so we not fi do nothing at all. Alright, mommy, love you. You want to talk to mommy? Come push up a more. Yeah, what?
Me hungry.
Yeah, for fish. Hey, yeah, push up in your mouth. Alright, mommy, later. I might ring your mouth. Boy, you in the kitchen and cook. Or mommy left you man to cook.
But you know see woman want kill we. We fi dead fi hungry.
Kill who? Are you alone or go dead? Coming and dead. The blood of Jesus against the mouth.
Hungry now me can't bother. Mommy pick up this woman here from. Me hungry.
Come near me. No, come near me. Come me. Me say you want to stress me out now. Let me tell you something. You can't near me no cause be a bone this. You can't near me. What problem? You know you say woman so come. Oh no, mommy never care overseas with him.
I feel choke cause Jamaica life no fit me.
If you not fit, you wait to me.
You say you pay boy, nothing wrong.
Hi baby, I miss you. Who's that? Oh.
Hello, morning.
Good morning.
I make Tasha face look sour.
Me hungry.
You're hungry? Then you, Tasha, anyway, Barbie, me know say she is small this one. You couldn't look about in here, not because I'm not there, I'm in my job. But me not so not dead for hungry if me not come on time.
Mommy say we not fi cook, wash and clean. I'm sure now she tell her that some me not go run out kitchen. You can start. You can start cook something. Yeah, girl, so they are going easy.
So me almost leave.
Love you. Alright. Get up,
So, Barbie, I did left some food in the fridge now, no should I just hot up and eat in the meanwhile?
No, we not eat. We not eat overnight food.
Okay, so what do you want me to look about food now?
Bully beef in there, rice. We eat that. You eat that?
You want corned beef and rice?
Yeah.
Okay, alright, good.
road here, so.
When I finish cook, man, and just time me. Give me about half an hour and then you come back. Because I have to go wash up the plate and clean the plate.
Yeah, come on.
Alright. See if I can walk for the hungriness.
When I drop down the road, I call my mother and tell my mother say I dead hungry.
You know, I go drop down, my son done cook, alright. My son done. Time me and then. Come like I say me a day servant. You little piece of money where the woman a send come from foreign go and give me to take care of them and big old ass steering pitney. Them a go on like I say me a day servant. If they took down and shit, me fi clean them. Look here, anything they do and me have to walk around and a clean it. Disappear and alright. Me have to go call the woman and talk to him, watch her. Everything they drink and then yam, they put it down in a box to me, take up the watch her. Empty sitting, all they sitting near them a cut. All they sitting near them a cut. Me fi clean up them. Me see everything. Watch it. Everything then yam, they put it down for me to take up. Like me a servant. Yes, I work, so what? You not even worth the money. But true, you know, nothing I'm going and me have my son to take care of. You can't believe what that. Everything empty. Rubbish, this is not, see the bin there right out there so then could have more and do it now. Me if you go cook canned beef and rice go now. You see, you know, big old dirty lazy girl them. Me say, me can't wait to get a job. But you see, any day me get me day off, me will look at work. Them have big old ass steering pitney and them woman they tell them say they know if you wash, cook nor clean through they have helper. So them all grow up and go there with man and can't do nothing. Man all kick you now but I say nothing to no come now. If me pick me no hear me phone. Just I go and work a little money and take care of my son. No alright. Go that shred them now. Watch out. All this a phone here. Nothing do your phone you know. And then mother tell them say don't use it, I will send you an iPhone 16. You know, not too rich you mean. No look.
Some man of the man, big church out man. Call and he call me say fi come meet me and some pull up away from the man.
That nice girl like you at the panel, yeah. You say that dangerous one of the panel kind of weather.
What your problem, little boy? Eh?
Because I can't walk in and see them here and I say, why? Probably not because like you be a dream country and you get things that we can America. But here you are mumble like you have something more some man.
Yeah.
Well not the wrong still for you. Confiscate someone else so I will come and confiscate. Someone that want to get to know you and you look humble, you know. You look like say all the other man will give me a chance. So,
Where are you up to? Where you talking so far?
Like you on the top, see if we can.
Hello. May I pick up now? I'm sure say you're not even half ready for reach my age. So me not understand you're not half me 34. Yeah, how much?
Yeah, she's just
How old are you?
How much?
I'm 34. How old are you?
I'm 18. I just left high school now. And I like saying minor. 19 and 18.
Watch it. 18, 34.
No man, small accent from big tree. Might be 18 but pocket big. Pocket alone big, so it's big but that's for your next year.
So what you say? Money enough?
No man, money. Pocket big. Everything big. Like, you know, money is not the problem, you know. You do anything. Yeah. I want to make you feel like you want to be nice or something.
Yeah, talk me. I'm not trying to phone come around. Take my number.
Just put in an iPhone 15. Mama Samsung but the iPhone. I see if there's fluffy kitty.
Anything you want to store me and story?
You see man, so when I see again now.
I don't know. But anyways, you have to go in and come on, I'm a big man, come and see. Me and talk to you. Just understand that we have to keep it undercover, so you can go on.
Alright. Let's go look for you one day, eh?
Alright. The man is there,
long man.
So we're going to come back.
See your dinner here. Here, there you go. The sugar done. So I'm not get to mix no drinks. Your mother said she will send money next week. So we have to go drink water for this week until we don't drink too much juice. It's just one of them mix up every drink you see in the fridge. Every juice I buy and put in there, we don't know it. Eat enough food. And if you don't want more, you can tell me sure some more food going later.
Alright, thanks. Put on this one. My appetite change, so.
You're not bad hungry again?
No, you can eat it later, eh?
Alright.
Eat it later.
I like I want 2 more plates with this, you know, Anyway, make it stay up there so when you're ready.
Alright, I go to bar now. I go to the rug have a drink. Yeah, pitney. I change, I go change and go up and go on bar go drink right now.
Barbie, so you just step out of the house and tell me, say, you're the go bar. You dey talk to your sister about me the area. You not ask me if you can go. Are you responsible for yourself? What do you mean when you say yes?
Big woman, you know?
I know say you're a big woman, but I'm me responsible for you. Yeah, you know. So if anything happen to you now, I mean, no problem. Remember, say your mother, leave it one with me. So if they go anywhere, you can tell me which part they go, where you're there. If I'm nothing, you can know, say they say there.
I go bed. Alright. I go bed.
Picnic, can't go now.
What you just say? True, you're picking, you can't go nowhere. So you want to go a bar too? I can't manage this at work, I swear to God. I need to talk to your mother, but you see, true for me credit, he finish all the while, the SIM card last. So your mother have to go call me straight through the phone up by top part. Even me I talk to her, she will hear the same way. Maybe make she know, say, you want to go a road to at your age and your sister, they go and they come out of the yard and now tell me, I don't want to get in no trouble, see how I lose my job, although I have one plan already, you know, because you see this a foolishness that we are going right after now. I not go take it too long, you know, true, I have no other job, but you see if you know, just go and take it. You understand, because I have my son. So anyway, eat your food, go and go get some water and drink until when your mother send the money come and buy juice soon. So all when the juice come and want to share out juice go, share out food go. Not because I do this and do that in a man. How no mother send me responsible for no. Be a big girl, you must can throw one cup of drinks or a cup of water. Everything on me, everything on me. And you know, I notice with your sister when you're Bobby, every time your mother call, there is something where Bobby tell you, oh no, mother, about me, say me this and me nah, this and me nah, that. You understand me, man? I don't care too much news. I understand you either. Gotcha. What happened? You're there. So have you do wide open, so?
I catch your man in my mat.
Oh, you have to show. You eat something?
Yeah, me eat something. Yeah.
Where you eat?
And do you look by my car? Enjoy work today.
Enjoy. Them the picnic there, Jesus Christ. And not every picnic. A big. Me have to call them picnic because the way them behave, they worse than some kindergarten. Me not tell no lie. Right now, at for them age, me shouldn't even take care of them. You understand what I say?
I understand.
One a big woman, you know. But the next one, she young. She don't go look big and fat, but she young. But that not say a big girl that must control little drinks herself. And if me cook them, must can share with them. The two of them are going to tell me every time about my mother say me nothing do nothing. And then you cook and you fi share out to give me enough sweet, me enough wash plate, me enough. What kind of cross is this me take up? Why me can't get an extra? And then if the man baby wouldn't so bad, big old ass steering tough skin girl, they pressure me. Me not understand this. Anyway, their mother sent me pay. But she don't send no money for them yet, she said next week. Yes, so Me did get one little money. Let me show you, you know. Yeah, my son. And me have to show you my money.
Your money, man, mommy.
Yes. She sending money come give me because she need pay me 2 months ago, you know. So a 3 month. 3 month money in a one, it triple up, man. 3 month money in a one she give me. See that? So me go buy something nice for you. Anyway, this is your pocket money. Push in your pocket.
No man, that good money. When already you take one little money and buy one. Just that good man. You can't just put it on that good.
No, me go put on this, but
Just
take this and put in it. Take it, man. Take
You don't want it done, man.
it. Nah, done. Take it. I'm my son. Me know you go beg nobody nothing. Take it. Push in your pocket. And me put back this in my bag. You hear?
Yeah.
So this I know. Me save up. If you come out of the little rent house here, and if you buy some black, so we can live in a better place. You understand? So anyway, the way my body had. Me not ready for bed yet. I don't want to go catch cold. My hot. Then just walk out my backside out of the yard. Here work me they do from morning. So me go cool off first. I go put down my bag right here so. And go see if me can relax a little bit. Then little more now. If you see it I get too late, you wait me cool off and bed. Because me tired so thin. You know me no want to go on the bed with my dirty skin. So me just go put my little self in the couch and see if me can take a fight. You understand? Anyway, my son, you can cook little jasmine rice and some fish over in the fridge because I'm tired. I'm hungry and I'm tired. Later. Gone. I leave the door open. So hold on. My phone then. My bag. My phone. So I get full as much packet. My phone there. My phone. Need to call him when I can left the door open. Can't find it. And then take your money. My phone. The amount of signal in this bag here. I leave the door open. Hold on there. How this looks so? My phone. Oh man. When the damn blasted phone, the boy left the damn door open now. See them, my money look like it gone. I have to go check. Why left the door open?
Hello, mommy.
Why you leave the door open? Where you gone?
I down the road, I gone.
You feel say you're a baby boy? You're a big man. I mean leave you right there up on the bed and just drop asleep in the couch and you take with yourself and gone out. No, when me go in at my purse, So my money gone and this amount of money I did have.
So my money gone, really?
What do you mean really?
I could have come in the house.
Wait, you talk to me and they say to me. What you talk to me say? You don't understand when somebody say they may have one money and some missing. It gone. This is not the right amount of money me did put on here. So who could I ever take it out? Why you leave the door open?
I don't know, mommy. Me never really. Me think me drive the door, so maybe do a run back down.
Jesus Christ, man. You tell me say me live in my house and me can't put down nothing and you're secure for me. Me and sleep and you come out and go and left the door wide up, make people come in and come take out the money.
Mommy, maybe I want to look kill this boy them around here.
So you know say kill this boy?
Because when me come out, I will leave a boy the outer door, but me could have straight think the door locked back.
You know say kill this boy there around here? And you really see me and sleep and left the door open. You really look for me there sleeping now. Oh, me tired. You couldn't just pull up the door or wake me up and tell me to close the door. Why me can stay so?
No, sorry mommy, sorry. I never want to wake you up. Do you want to get sleep because I see you're tired?
Boy. Anyway. Thank God they never take the whole light. Don't worry yourself about it. God will provide.
Me soon come home.
God will provide. You will get back more than what the devil stole from me.
Me soon come home. I'm a master son down here, so I play football.
Eh?
I'm a master son, I play football.
Alright.
Yeah.
You want to tell me say after me work so hard, Father God. Put down my money when me want to use buy some black to come out of this place here when me have to pay rent. And I can't believe some just asleep and the boy really come out of the house and left the door open. Next time we will know say, take you out of my purse and hide it. Yes. Maybe if me did take you out of my purse and hide it and just asleep now.
So money really more yo. How am I get too much US from man?
I don't know. You say you have
My links.
not really links. You do like farming like so I don't know like a US thing pay me. Now when you sell the goat them cow and so a US thing get paid now. So let's tell me.
Alright, well. Whatever man do still man do. Wait. I think this is that, but him not sure.
No.
Make sure.
I must have to see money now do this kind of.
Alright, you don't know. I want me out there. I feel like I don't want to deal more. Rock your world. So come.
Alright.
That me come to deal with and then me have some things to deal with. Hope you have money to give me tonight because I'm broke, you know. You can get money today.
I have $200.
200 for
Yeah, girl. So, girl, we didn't even get no time for clean up. Last night, ram till they can't ram no more. Girl, that woman want to come clean up for me right now. Anyways, later. Right now, me tired.
No.
Yeah, who that?
Deborah.
Oh, come in!
Oh God. What?
Then again, I'm tired.
Yeah, for true. Anyways, sorry, someone is a birthday party, girl. My sugar is zazzy, take my oats.
Hi!
Not to lie, Uncle, no, give me space. Uncle, you trying for me.
Nah, give space.
Nah, give me space.
Well, once I get the money, we have to talk about space. Yeah, idiot.
Never look at something for your steals, you know.
I'm money you feel. No money and how much is that?
Girl.
500 US.
Thank God you get so much.
Girl, the way my mother spoil me, girl. Then my money and chum change to me. What me grateful for. Thanks, my friend. Thanks.
Anyways, you know, say, you have one friend. But like you have money too, you know?
I like.
Have money. Man have money. He spend hard last night and all of that. Look, uncle spend much US.
So you have to set a link then?
Yeah, me go set the link.
Alright, my friend, let's see
So
how
how party go?
girl. Last night, ram.
She's not even.
Be a champagne. Girl, come on, sit down. Can you just stand up so like, how are you afraid of my bed?
I'm not afraid of your bed. That's not the point. You know.
Girl, last night, rum, beer drinking, and smoking me at the about. And that's a good dog.
Yeah, how would we?
And my friend, they gonna give me a strength.
You go on good door. Sir. One say me see the cook. Man, Jesus, not give me no time for myself. I want to go today again.
Girl, next time me I can link up. You not to worry about through the man at each other. That's your worry
I
about.
don't want it back at me, that's the point. But you know, see, I chew my running money we can't do.
And when I stop getting money, I start worry. No worry about that chain I get for come. I mean, know say if I never me would have reached us already, but
reach.
Anyways, girl, I'm gonna try to get some sleep till you man come clean up.
Anyways, we go by along.
Alright, later. Yeah.
Let's go to the van. Don't got Richie. Come and call you one Richie. Yo. Richie. Me send your girl number now. Yeah. The brown one. Yeah man. She said she like you too. Yeah. All you have to do is shout her, you know. Aye.
Hello? Who is this? Richie. That's all like Richie's. Oh. Yeah man, we tell her to give me number. Anyways, it's 30 at my birthday party, you know. Alright, now me want some money. I love money, you know. Pretty girl love money. Send her information. Alright, I'm going to send her my name and address. Alright, love. Money. Nobody want to sleep.
Tough last night.
True, man.
Party the nice one, true.
Nice,
So I said we have to left already, but an emergency.
And you know, so now if a beer people come in, yo, I'm on a girl did me tell her about.
I didn't want to feel them and be kind of squeezing with that. But that kind of party be tough different, man.
Oh, a beer hot girl did my party, you know. Be a big batty me tell her about, you know.
But at the time, I want to book your bookie girl.
No, sir. You know some rich friend them from up the line. I want to look what I do, I want so much. Yo, you want to see your car then.
They are short the last time, but I said, boy, you're fast out and go sleep. So over there, somebody are like, I'm looking at me, see that I said, I'm afraid of myself, I'm going to tell about the party, so it's really tough.
You know, see around here, Western Union, I go do, and I just take a sun and cool off.
Well, I mean, I'm there still just a pass through, I'm listening to one year, 1 year. Pick up yourself still, you know?
Alright.
Any other party, you need to fancy.
What one? Right?
I'm good man, I was I was telling you I'm going to go collect something. My love, when I come on my birthday party yesterday.
Girl. I can't know me busy. I not even did remember say yesterday I did for your date. But now worry yourself, when still you want it.
Anyways, okay, yeah. Dirty, I wait for your grandma.
See what? For me come here to clean up.
No, not pay help me clean up. You clean up.
For me clean up it. I could have got it said though.
So, mommy, I pay you for.
Look at man. I did buy some cash back on Saturday. So guess what? Now follow you go Western Union and then me go check to see if I win and get that money. We give money for your birthday and you're going to catch it. See?
Boy, you just put that. Oh, you're proper, yeah. Alright, come on.
I hope you don't mash up your woman place, you know. Make sure you don't mash up your mother place with no party and drinking and this and that and one if I see.
Oh, so a place, alright, when I just use it, go and clean up it.
So when you not sit up and music clean up, let me tell you the same thing. You don't take bullshit from people, you know. You understand me? So if me come there so and see place too nasty, guess what? Just call it a day because me now walk there so
you call it a day
forever.
and I go out there. Okay,
Me not have to walk there. Me not have to walk there. You know what somebody they ask me if me come work with them. So to me do that dirty work. Me must do all kind of work anytime.
You can't say you're going to friend is okay.
Look at girl, the money where your mother pay me is not enough. The work for me do more than the money where your mother pay me. If you never know. I mean I want to no rank with me neither.
Alright, anyways then, you see if you're not going to clean the place, me make mommy get somebody else then.
That not have nothing to do with me.
Come
Right
on.
now people want people to work like what you come on. I must think that you me like you better than your sister that means say that have nothing to do with me. Let's see your movie. You know me can't do so? I'm took for your more and your little sister. That's the generation now no all right now car.
That's what you
Somebody girl, call him and tell him thank you now.
I'm not calling up, sorry, I know some money you're watching up.
You know business. Tell him right there. Tell him now.
Wait now, let's see how much I go on.
Call him. Hurry up now.
Hi baby. Let's just get it, thanks. Alright, later I'm call.
Me have money now for this man. So, you want to remember so I buy cash pot in a girl, me can win, you know. Remember say straight, I cash pot shot me I go for college. What you do? Thank you. And you make catch a cash pot, you know say me I go give you back one money. Come on. Wait there. Oh, you think say $250 you give me $200? Just come on, you talk too much. Everybody have to tell.
Well, we're entering into the Christmas season, you know. Give thanks to watch the movie, so we can reason. And that's just the first part. The movie, whole heap of jam and whole heap of go on in it. You know what I mean? And for the next side, we are shoot baby father drama and baby mother drama same time. Of course, you ever see a channel with that. You understand? Two big series in one.
What you mean? No put your hand on her.
That's what the girl say.
big girl I go to high school. I tell the girl say, yo, example, like the girl say, yo, you show the girl basketball. From say, read what? I say, tell me what they pan. She can't tell me. She the pan. No, come.
So, are you a father?
I'm not me her father, but I'm me her stepdaddy in her life.
No put your hand on me pitney youth. My youth, we kill off me pitney. What do you mean?
So where you are going? You don't get out already. And they say, you don't already.
Yo, watch your man. Yo.
What kind of money, sir?
Yo, look your man. Yo, put back your head.
Beat him, daddy! Beat him!
I want to be better just.
Beat him, daddy!
Yo! I want to fight. Yo, what not fight?
Beat him!
What not? We are work like Tyler Perry them are fine. That's how we are trying to put in some work with no budget. You know what I mean? Ask budget. You see what I mean? Let's go. Burn it down to the ground. Take what you take and go do what you do from that time to this time. We wash up some plate now. We're going to cook some food. We're going to survive it. But that one place, the party place, rough and rugged, but paradise. That's why they make it so hard for us. You know what I mean? But we still a fight. The roughest part of it. We are do it. Remember, we are do it. And we're going to see it. Alright, yeah man. Burn it down to the ground. Take what you take and go do what you do. Big up everybody from that time to this time. We notice say everything stop. We don't know if the whole world upon seas. But we're there still. We survive it. We continue to put in the work. You know what I mean? Check out the movie then. Let's go.